Mary Jean. Good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself? What is your full name?
Mary Jean ng Kilcambao,
Your age?
42 years old,
Where do you live, ma'am?
Lubao, Pampanga,
What's your current marital status?
single,
Do you have kids?
yes, 2 daughters,
Okay, can you please indicate the age of your daughters?
10 years old and 17 years old,
How many siblings do you have?
4,
Are you the eldest?
youngest.
Tell me about your educational background. Did you finish high school or college?
I finished high school.
Can you please state the reason why you did not finish college, ma'am?
I cannot afford the tuition.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes,
In what country?
Hong Kong,
For how many years, ma'am?
2 years.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes,
What are your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper?
taking care of children, cooking, ironing, marketing, laundry.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest, trustworthy, and God-fearing.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
yes,
Can you please specify what kind of surgery?
bone fracture.
Okay. How many years ago, ma'am?
Way back 2018.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
Because of my daughter, next year she will be in college.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them, reading a book, tell the story about the naughty boy and girl.
Okay. Your last question, what is your message to your future employer?
If I'm given a chance to be a part of your family, I will do my best. Taking care of your children, I will treat them like my own children. If you will have rules and regulation, I will follow the rules that you give.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.